So I've got this burn pile thing out here in the backyard that needs to be lit up. I cleared out a bunch of old rotten cabinets out of my shop that are on there, and I got the old Christmas tree on there that's pretty dry. It's green, but it's dry. And so I got an idea. I got these things for Christmas for my son that I guess he thought it would be kind of cool. So we're going to try this out here. They're called 12 gauge Dragon's Breath. They're shotgun shells that have some sort of a flare type effect in them. If you look at the back, it says an incredible fireball blast from your shotgun, easily reaching 50 plus yards. Rounds are highly flammable and will ignite anything dry on fire. Please use caution when using, designed for use from smoothbore shotgun. So I'm going to take out my old 870, and I'm going to try these things to light that Christmas tree and or brush pile on fire out there. So I'm going to do some video on this and hopefully get a couple different angles. It's supposed to be freezing rain here coming down in a couple hours, so I got to get this done. And we'll see how this works. I do not recommend anyone use these. I'm not responsible if you choose to. This may fall under the "hey y'all watch this" category, but we'll see how this works out. Okay, I am upwind, just so we know that there shouldn't be anything sprayed back at me, but here we go. We'll see what happens here. Not much. We'll see what happens here. I got another one here. I want to see if I can get that Christmas tree to light up. It says it'll shoot 150 yards. I'm about 15 yards away from that Christmas tree, so I don't see anything like that happening, but we'll see here. One left. It certainly didn't explode. Well, not nearly the effect I was hoping for, but that was one of my Christmas presents. Thanks, John. There it goes. It finally lit off.